Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I did a short video about doing a back bridge with head nods and head rotations, and it looked like this. So I was holding a bridge, and then I was just nodding my head up and down and side to side. And someone wrote and asked, well, that's great, but how do I progress with that? So I'm going to show you a progression or a regression to like something you can do to do head nods and head rotations while in a bridge. But before I do that, I just want you to know, when I'm showing those shorts, they're really just videos about ideas of where movement can take you and things that you can do. They are not start here videos, okay? So they're more or less just creative ideas on what you can do with movement, but they're not for everybody yet, but they are places that you can get to. But they're not educational or instructive like these videos are. Having said that, here's a way, I'm gonna show you two ways that you can regress that movement to get head nods. And the point of that video was you can do head nods and head rotations in different positions. One way is to get in a triangle pose or a down dog. And this microphone's in my face. Can you hear me? But you can do head nods here. Or head rotations. And the microphone's all in my face for that. But that's one way. That's one way to build up, and you still get some overhead stability in your shoulders. And you can do head nods and head rotations that way. Another way is to use a bench and to get in a bridge. Now you can get some glute work, open up your hip flexors a little bit, and you can hang your head off the edge and do head nods here. And this feels really good. The other thing you can do here, obviously, is rotation while your head is hanging upside down. Lead with your eyes then head, eyes then head. Same thing when you go up and down. Eyes go down, head goes up. And really it's eyes up, head up, eyes down, head down. But since I'm upside down, it's kind of reversed and it gets confusing. The point is, lead with your eyes. But anyway, those are two ways that you can get in some great vestibular system activation by using different body positions and gravity to move your eyes and your head. And again, why would you do that? Because it does activate your vestibular system, which keeps you very healthy, helps keep your balance, helps keep your brain healthy, helps keep your body tied together, really helps keep your center strong. I know it's crazy, but the movements of your head and neck are tied to the movements of your core. So doing head nods and head rotations on a regular basis and challenging how you do them in respect to gravity is a great way to just keep your body all around healthy and strong. And again, you don't have to do a back bridge. If you can do a back bridge, that's just an idea of where movement can take you. But these are simple ways that you can start getting upside down or putting your body in different positions to challenge your ability to do head nods and head rotations. Anyway, give that a shot. You don't have to start out with a back bridge. You can start out with a bench or a down dog. Hopefully your shirt and your microphone won't try to suffocate you when you're doing it. But anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.